Imagine a world where everything works in harmony. Since the very beginning, Adria has been expanding and growing bigger with 50 years of satisfied customers. Adria Home is an integral part of the Adria Group. Our system for assembling mobile homes is one of the most modern, refined, and efficient in Europe. We develop over 30 variables of mobile homes with different floor plans and interior designs every year. Quality control is an essential part of our service, and we take great pride in our detail-oriented experts. Our processes fulfill all ISO standards and security requirements. We at Adria Home realize we are part of the environment, so we care about it. Our annual production is over 1,000 mobile homes. A modern, encouraging work environment fuels personal growth and a healthy career. We strive to keep our team motivated and satisfied. Adria, living in motion.